Bonding are two types. First is physical bonding, physical bonding, or second is chemical bonding, chemical bonding. Physical bonding, van der Waal, van der Waal bond, van der Waal bond. Second is hydrogen bond, hydrogen bond, and third is London force, London force. Chemical bond are many types. First is covalent bond, covalent bond. Simple is a by the this bond are formed by the sharing of electron. Ionic bond, ionic bond are also known as electrocovalent bond, electrocovalent bond. And third is metallic bond, metallic bond. Another type of covalent bond is coordinate bond, coordinate bond are also known as dative bond. Let's discuss about chemical bond. Chemical bond. First discuss covalent bond. Covalent bond. Chemical bond first. Covalent bond. Covalent bond. Covalent bond. It is a bond between two atoms. If two atoms share their electron to other atom, means that it is a it means that covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electron. These bonds are formed by sharing of electron between two or more atoms. This is the type of bond in which two or more atoms share their electron for the formation of bond. Formation of bond by the sharing of electron. If share share one electron, form single bond, whereas if two electron are shared, form double bond, double bond. Whereas three electron, if any atom those are sharing three electron, form triple bond. If any atom share three electron, form triple bond, triple bond. Or another is, if any atom share four electron, form quintuple bond. Four electron share, form quintuple bond. Covalent bond is a simple bond type of bond in which atom are share electron to another atom for the gain stability. Sharing of electron for the gain stability. Gain stability. Discuss example for the covalent bond. First is hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule. Here hydrogen atom share their one electron to another hydrogen atom, form a covalent bond. Here only one electron are share, that form hydrogen single atom, single bond. Another example is hydrogen chloride. Here hydrogen share one electron to chlorine atom, and form single bond also. Another example is oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule share their electron to another oxygen atom, form here two electrons are shared by oxygen atom that form double bond. If any atom share three electrons like nitrogen, form triple bond. Here triple bond. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video.